spectacular spectacular 形容词，壮观的。
The restaurant features a spectacular view of the city's skyline.
enlarge enlarge 动词，放大，扩大。
The house owner planned to knock out the wall to enlarge the living room.
assembly assembly 名词，组装，集合，聚集。
The cabinet and desk we ordered require some basic assembly.
under construction under construction 片语，施工中。
The gallery housing our sculpture collections is currently under construction.
infrastructure infrastructure 名词，公共建设，基础建设。
Even in a down economy, the corporation continued to invest in new infrastructure.
rewire rewire 动词，重新布线。
Since the apartment is over 30 years old, it needs to be totally rewired.
decorate decorate 动词，装饰，修饰。
The hotel's lobby was decorated with a massive lion statue.
leak leak 名词动词，泄漏。
The installation of the dishwasher caused a leak in the sink.
scrutiny scrutiny 名词，仔细检查，审查。
Imported pork in the future should be placed under scrutiny to ensure food safety.
first rate first rate 形容词，一流的。
The craftsmanship for the tiling in our bathroom is first rate.
concentrate concentrate 动词，集中，聚集，专注。
It is hard to concentrate with the noise of the rain outside.
shovel shovel 名词，铲子。
Every morning, a street sweeping person uses a broom and shovel to clean off litter.
landscape landscape 名词，风景。动词，景观美化，造景。
Rick recommended me a company which specializes in landscaping and interior design.
ancient ancient 形容词，古老的，老旧的。
My father has an ancient vase held in a box downstairs in the basement.
collaboration collaboration 名词，协力合作。
The project was completed in collaboration with 2 other companies.
skyscraper skyscraper 名词，摩天大楼。
New York City is always associated with skyscraper and modern life.
illuminate illuminate 动词，照亮，照明。
Jenny was pleased with the natural lighting illuminating the main bedroom.
construct construct 动词，建造，建筑。
The church was constructed in stages, starting in 1882.
Adjacent. Adjacent. 形容词，相邻的。
2 months after moving in, I finally realized that Doris and I live in adjacent apartments.
Corrosion. Corrosion. 名词，腐蚀、侵蚀。
The weather condition here can accelerate corrosion of the external pipeline.
Remodel. Remodel. 动词，改造、改建。
The hospital was closed and remodeled into a day care center.
Complex. Complex. 名词，复合建筑。形容词，复杂的。
Nobody uses the gym facilities within the apartment complex.
Alternative. Alternative. 名词，其他选择、替代方案。形容词，其他的、替代的。
Cheaper alternatives were used since the shopkeeper had a very limited budget.
Isolated. Isolated. 形容词，偏远的、与世隔绝的。
The hotel is in an isolated area about a 40-minute drive from downtown.
Blueprint. Blueprint. 名词，蓝图。
The workers followed a rough blueprint from my former architect for the porch.
Disruption. Disruption. 名词，扰乱、中断。
The pandemic caused disruption to the booming economy.
Architecture. Architecture. 名词，建筑。
The lectures on Friday night will cover education, architecture, and business.
Rusty. Rusty. 形容词，生锈的。
With the rusty pipes and old wiring, I don't think we should rent this apartment.
Convert. Convert. 动词，改变、转变。
The castle was converted into a luxurious hotel, which opened in summer 2008.
Scaffolding. Scaffolding. 名词，鹰架。
The engineers were sure that the flimsy scaffolding could not withstand the typhoon.
Yo， 听到这个音乐就代表这期影片当中的30个多益必考单字算是复习完毕啦。还记得我们从 Ebbinghaus 的遗忘曲线中所得出来的结论吗？与其一次长时间死命的背很多单字，倒不如运用每天琐碎的时间观看影片，将复习中间间隔的时间缩短，观看次数的频率拉高，才能提高记忆单字的效率哦。那如果觉得影片内容对你有所帮助的话，也请帮我按赞、订阅、留言、分享，让 YouTube 演算法知道这是一支值得推广的影片。好，这期影片到此就算差不多啦。我是 Parker， 这是帕克英文，我们下期影片再见啦，拜。